that's great. So basically you jump start the car and power bank, I think you charge the phone batteries and all those things. That's amazing. Well, basically I think my car started having, you know, I need to start it up, so it seems that instead of it, but it seems that whenever I purchase something right now, I have to record it just to add it to this channel, Unboxing Canada. That's great. Okay, let's see what we have here. And let's see how it looks from inside. So this is a bag. It's new. I got it from Canadian Tire. Outside temperature. 4 cylinders, 6 cylinders. Okay. Let's see. 750 equals to me. Yes. And we open it this way so you guys can see. So what we have inside the box is this small, this battery. So what I need to do is, I think I need to charge it. But I don't know, I'll be going tomorrow for a trip, about 3 hours, so I think I need it right now. So I better charge it from now. I don't know exactly how long do I need to charge it. I don't see anywhere here that it says for how long you need to charge it. 24. Let's see, and what is this here? I think this would be the USB charger, right? Or no? What do you guys think it is? Am I supposed to open this? Oh yeah, it's okay. So, I don't know what is that for, but I think it might be for the wire. Not the wire. Yes, it is for the wire. So basically you connect this here and then you charge the car. Okay, so that's one thing that we know now. And here would be the USB for sure. Yep, that's a USB for, I think that would be like Samsung, and this would be for an iPhone. Okay, that's good. Okay, so now I just need to know for how long do I need to charge it, how many hours. There is no manual, I guess. There is a small bag here. Okay, that's a small bag. So basically, you put it inside. Yeah, I'm looking for a manual. Okay, here's the manual. Okay, here's a wire here. So I think this is actually for charging it. Yes, I guess it is for charging it. Now let's see what the other wire. Okay. That if you need to charge it using the car. Okay, if you need to charge it while driving, then you just connect this to the car and charge it. Okay, anything else here hidden in this box? Okay, now we need to see now we will see this manual here. Let's see how many hours do we need. Thank you. So there's the manual. So here, jump start and power bank. Table of contents, safety information, warranty information, jump start user interface, understanding charge LED, errors, charging, operating flash, technical specifications. So what I'll be looking right now is for how long do I need to charge it. Electric charge, this is the warnings, important safety warnings. Personal protection, only use product as intended. Someone should be within range of voice, close enough to come to your aid in case of emergency. Purchaser to be used by a minor purchasing adult. Agree to provide detailed instruction. Choking handling. Modification, accessories, location of rating, the battery built in. The battery in the product should be placed in. It must be recycled. What I'm looking for, medical supplies, 1 year warranty, limited warranty, jump starting, verify the voltage, getting started. I think this will be here. The jump start comes partially charged out of the box and needs to be fully charged prior to use. Carefully read and understand the vehicle's own manual on specific protection and recommended methods for jump start vehicle. Make sure to determine the voltage and chemistry of the battery by referring to our battery owner's manual prior to using this product. So it is for jump start 12-volt lead. Connecting to a battery. Before connecting the battery, verify that you have 12-volt leads. Okay. So basically, it doesn't say that how long do I need to charge it for, but basically I'll just charge it till it gets full. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll start it. I'll charge it, and then I'll show you how we can use it on the car. So this is how I connected the wire from here to the USB there, and or not. But let's see if I press this button how it looks.